guys, Jen here with another video. Today I'm doing another slime DIY and I'm collabing with
Super KK.
Okay. Today's recipe is going to be cereal milk slime, which is a very thick slime.
Wonderful.
Yeah. Okay, for this slime you're going to be needing a container, a mixing utensil, lotion, shaving foam, coloring if you want to make a different flavoring, starch or cornstarch or anything, and activator. Oh yeah, and glue. 2 bottles of glue here. Fun fact of the day, did you know I'm going to be saying 1 bottle of glue in every single slime video? That's right. Okay,
Wonderful.
Today's like button challenge is gonna be, I know this sounds really easy, but press the like button, you twist your hands and then press the like button with your elbow. That's very easy, totally. Okay.
Totally.
Okay. So first off, you're gonna start off with 1 bottle of glue. Simple as that. Non-toxic PVA glue. Super KK.
This video is not sponsored.
And then Super KK is just like, remember the time when I was like, oh no, I activated my eye.
Please don't activate your eyes again. Again.
And remember I was like, talk to my people.
Talk to my people.
They're all right. I can't open this bottle of glue.
Suffer.
Oh, maybe I should have restarted my video and opened it first. Whatever. I did it. My hands feel really weak now.
But yeah, we can. So you gotta do all that mixing.
Oh yeah, make sure you have some napkins beside you. Don't be like me and do not grab any napkins. I'll be right back. Super KK, talk to my people.
What are we talking about today? Okay,
I'm back. What you guys talk about?
I didn't even start talking.
Okay, so we add a little bit of glue. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Very little, right, Super KK?
Oh, I can see how little that amount was.
The reason why I'm making such a big...
big...
just the reason why I'm making such a bigger batch is because I'm making different flavors milk. Whoa, I'm already that low in glue. Whoa. I already used 25% of my gallon. And that took 3 months to use. And plus, I'm using 75% of my other glue too. Whoa, this one's really runny, so don't add too much. So you need white glue, some clear glue, no exact measurements. Desired amount of milk. I my glue.
Do nothing in the video. Again.
And you put 2 clouds of lotion.
2 little clouds of lotion that you can obviously see because it's all white.
Lots of shaving foam, not too much though. I almost killed you guys again.
Lots of shaving foam, but not too much. Okay, never mind, Jen.
And then, guys, I didn't even test this recipe out. I don't know. I'm sorry, but I'm not going to. So this is the first time I actually tested. Oh dear, starch is going everywhere.
Oh,
yeah, well. I was like, oh well, that's a lot of starch, but that's good. More starch, more thicker. It's getting everywhere. There's dust everywhere, guys. Okay, next you mix all.
I feel like I can see it raining dust.
Look, guys, getting thicker. Whoa, this is really thick. Perfect. I'm just sweating right now because the blinds are on, opened.
Like, I can see that the area that you're in is very, very dark, but then there's just this giant, bright band of light. Why?
Next, you keep mixing and mixing and mixing. Okay, it should be good. And then next, you activate it. Activate it.
Don't activate.
Activate it. Okay, I need a toothpick to break the glue hole. This used to be a bottle of glue.
hammer, aka glue hole.
Okay, it should be out now. Any second now. I got it!
Woo.
Okay, let's activate it.
Don't
Mix.
activate your eyeballs, Jen.
I will, one day. I will.
But you already activated your eyeballs. Don't activate them again.
What if I did?
Ah.
I hope I don't have any more clay because my brother used it all for his book report. And you'll never guess what my dad said. He said, now you owe your sister 2 packs of clay. That was so random.
Wonderful. Even though he could have just bought it himself.
Yeah.
Now you owe her this much because you just did it, but because you could.
And go and check out Super KK's channel if you haven't.
Woo. Probably shouldn't because nothing happens this year. It's been like
I
a
wonder.
month.
I wonder who started YouTubing first. You or me?
I haven't posted a video.
Oh yeah, and here's a new shout out to. You commented yesterday. You could do the honors, Super KK. Shout out to. Remember the person that did hashtag I did it? And you wrote congratulations?
No, I did not.
Funky Sam.
That's wonderful. Whoop.
Shout out to him. Yeah,
Then
to them. Whatever.
you never know what gender they are. Misgendering them.
I wonder who they are, though. Comment down who lives. And now I have 30 people watching my channel. I think. Keep subscribing, people. Whoa, look at the slime, guys. It's getting really thick. This is the slime you want for cereal milk. Okay, quick question. Let's see. Super KK? What's 32 million plus 1?
I think it's 50 billion.
You're so correct.
So close.
You're so close. You're only 50 million% off.
That's correct.
Oh, and guys, make sure you go check out my last video. It's pretty exciting, I guess. Not really. We only got started in like 2 things. The hair, the eyeballs. Okay, maybe 3 things. And of course, the face.
The face, the hair, and the eyes.
Yeah.
That's it.
Whoa, this is really glossy and thick, and it's still liquidy.
Make sure you leave a like on that video.
Ah!
We know.
Oh, and vote. Vote Jen, and then you can win a slime. Well, only 3 people can win a slime, because they go in the same school as me. Make sure you vote Super KK, guys, so she can win a slime. She hates it, trust me. She won't even touch it. Oh.
I've never touched slime.
Wait, Super KK, look at this. This is what happens. Don't trust me.
If I could, I would jump out a window and go, nope.
Oh, God. Super KK never touched slime in her life. Maybe once in grade 5 or something.
Don't think so.
I wasn't in the same class as her, so I'm not sure.
Pretty sure I didn't.
Never know. Okay, start kneading your slime out. Whoa, guys, it's really thick. That's how you tell cereal milk. Sticky still. The starch.
Starch.
Oh yeah. Go check out Adriana Lee. She doesn't even have a really. That's a full shout out for this video. Oh yeah,
Didn't she have a shadow last time?
Yeah. Well, not a full one, but like. Oh, by the way, guys. It's very liquidy right now. She tried making cornstarch slime, and then guess what happened? She just always just give up and stuff. So she tried it, and I told her to reactivate it, and she was like, oh.
Oh.
Because she just threw it away when she added cornstarch. Whoa. Yeah, that's how sticky it is. Let me just pour some extra activator on this.
Ooh.
Nice and thick. Nice and thick. Yeah, don't do that. Oh dear.
Wonderful.
I got it. Its activators start to get out. Okay. Maybe I overdone it with the starch. Maybe I did. Awkward silence. So, Super KK. Oh yeah, guys, don't forget to leave a comment suggestion on what you want us to do. Do you want more collaborations? Maybe I can even do one with you guys.
Ooh, I haven't really done anything so far. It's just mostly just drawing. And then
I just
you
did.
don't see how I'm drawing.
I really just did 2 gaming vids. One Roblox, one Minecraft.
Ooh.
And the Minecraft one was duplicating trick. No, actually, I think I made 2. No, that was in our old channel. Whatever. Don't check out our old channel, please. I'm not even going to give a shout out to that channel anymore. That channel really sucks. I killed you. You guys failed. Oh dear, there's a big blob of blue stuff.
That's great.
Oh no, there's a big blob of blue stuff.
Why?
Oh dear, we only have like 3 minutes, even less than 3 minutes. I can't activate the slime. Guys, you better have patience.
Ooh, I don't. I'm gonna die very soon.
Oh god, me and Super KK are very opposites. Let me give you an example.
No, I have like 1% on my device.
Wait, what? You're not charging it?
It's charging,
Oh wow,
but I'm dying.
that makes sense. Okay guys, this is a slime. I'll dye the colors of the slime in my next video to show you guys. And yeah. It's really thick actually. If you add a tiny bit of clay, it's gonna be even better. Even bitter. Super KK there still? Yep. Okay guys, I'm gonna see if I can find one little piece of white clay. I swear I saved it. Yes, I saved it, guys. I saved my life with one little piece of white clay. You there, Super KK? Oh, her batteries are gone. Okay, I guess we're alone now. Okay guys, next you add your very last tiny little bit of clay. This will change the texture better, I guess, kinda. And it's gonna be even thicker. You add a tiny bit of clay. Don't add Play-Doh, I warn you, don't, please. It's gonna melt your slime and you can never see it again. Yeah, I want to see if she's calling me back. Nope, she's not. She's waiting for her batteries to charge now. Okay. Oops. Do you guys see any difference, like when I'm with Super KK I'm more like hyper and stuff, but when I'm just with you guys, I'm very normal with no collaboration. Okay guys, so this is the slime and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Peace. See you guys next time. Bye!